Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the wrong way warning feature on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings, which is the third option. Scroll down, and in the Features section, you can find the wrong way warning button. So tap on it, and here you can tap on this button if you would like to get an alert when a wrong way driver is on your route. So tap on it, and here you can see the supported countries in which you can enable or use this feature. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.